Hello friends, today I am going to make a video on app icons in React Native for both the platforms like Android and iOS. So I have created one project which is a name of WhatsApp, and I have opened in this app in VS Code, and now I'm going to run this app in Android simulator emulator. So this is a command to run a app in Android, and I have opened already a emulator of Android, so which is showing the results on a screen. It takes time, it takes less time. Now it's run successfully. So now we can see the text which I have overwrite in a code, and we can see the results on a emulator. Now we can edit the video like hello world. See, we see the reflected changes. So now I'm going to change the app icon, and we can see the default app icon of our app is this. If I go to the background, and now this is one. So I have to change the app icon of this logo. So first we have to create a image what we want to add our app logo on a app icon. So I already make a app icon on from the Google, and it has a dimension of 1024 by 1024, and you can take it as a 526 into 526. So, and I'm going to take you make one website, make app icon, then we can create app icons on a video. So I can this image drag into this thing, this UI, and it will create automatically for both the platforms. And you can add what is your app name, you can say that like WhatsApp clone, and what kind of app you are using. I'm taking it as education, and a keyword you can take it as a test, you can write as a test, right? So it's generating. So the best part of this email, this link is that like we can create the app icons for both the applications like Android or iOS. You can see that it creates all the dimension what we needed in Android or iOS. So we can write in a on a email address, and it will send the all app icons in a zip folder on our email. I have already the things I have already take it as long on a tick, and if I go to my email, and if I show you, see this app I have created a zip folder, and I have take it as a download, and now zip I can fetch out this. Open the folder and it will you can see there the Android and iOS folder which we have created the app icons for both the things. Now you can see the Android folder and we can see the same Android folder in our project. You can see that this one, and if I go to the app and source and main, and it has a Java folder, no, I think rest folder, yes, and we can see the files map sdpi, and these all files will be replaced by these five files. Okay, it's just simple, like I'm going to open it has also a okay. So I'm going to replace this one, first one, second one, it's running successfully, it's replacing. Now it's very easy, and now we have to run build the app again by using same command. Then you can see the reflected changes on our app icon. And I'm going to see the app icon has changed in our app logo on our Android. Now the similar part I'm going to see the this app icon in iOS in React Native, right? So we have seen earlier in a downloaded folder, we have already a iOS folder, and similar this folder will be seen in the project iOS folder, like this one. So we can reveal in finder this folder, and the similar thing which I do in Android, so in the iOS will be same, configuration will be same. Okay, so we can see we can go the iOS and the app, and you can see the image exits. Okay, okay, yep, yes, I have already the thing, so I can put it the this app icon in a image exits, and I have to rebuild my app icon in Android iOS folder. So to run the application in iOS, just instead of Android I have to write iOS, and I have already opened the iOS simulator, and see the changes of iOS app. It will take time, I think, because it's running for the first time. it's running successfully. And for changing the icons, if I write an iOS, right, and I'm going to, yep, we can see the app icon in iOS as well. So it's done. Thank you so much.